Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will introduce to you my 2025 planner systems. This year, 2025, I have decided to combine a physical planner and a digital planner. You know I am a forgetful person and I want to help my mental health. I need to upgrade my planner system that will really work for me. Every time I went to any department stores and bookstores, I looked for a physical planner that matches my preferences. And one day I found them at the National Bookstore. It's on sale that time, actually. How lucky I am! I got 2 different physical planners, and for the digital, I used the Dejitaru Techo. I will use the mauve-colored Dejitaru Techo for 2025. You can purchase one at my Etsy shop. That is, if you want it, of course. Now let's start with the first one. I like this Daily Planner 2025 from the outside to inside. The coffee design in the cover. This really caught my attention. The size is a plus, since it's just small and very light. I will be using this planner as my monthly physical planner, wherein I can write all my schedules, deadlines, and all. This serves as my raw monthly planner before I write it on my digital monthly planner. These are the inside pages of this planner, purely monthly plan. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. It also has this phone directory page, but I am not using this one. What I also like about this planner is this page. God's promises to you. This is a set of quotes from the Bible. This is useful for me since I have a different mood from time to time, and I need motivation for mental health problems. So that's it for this planner. The second physical planner is this one. I like this blue color cover and the size is A6. It's a little bit heavy though, but it's not a big deal for me. When you open it, there are information pages. I will be using this planner as my raw daily task notebook. This planner focuses on daily planning, so it fits what I've been doing in 2024. Every day, I will write my daily tasks. Before I write it in my weekly spread, I will write all the tasks in a separate notebook. In fact, I have this small notebook to track my tasks. I am using this notebook this year, 2024, and it's very useful for me. I know, it's funny and redundant, but that helps keep my focus. Sometimes I don't have time to write in my weekly spread, so I write it here. I can't memorize all the things that happen every day. That's one of the reasons why I need planning in the first place. This 2025, I will use this blue planner as my task notebook to track my tasks every day. Track schedules, appointments, and anything else. It is good to have this small planner as a task notebook. It has a thick cover, matte navy blue color, and the papers are not so thin. It's perfect. So, that's it for this blue planner. The last but not the least is my Dejitaru Techo 2025. I will be using the mauve color variation. I've already designed the cover. Well, I already set this up. This 2025 design is in the freebies vault. Try this digital planner and partner it with the monthly kits and weekly kits. It's in my shop. Links are in the description box and pinned comments. By the way, it is my birthday on the 31st of December. That is why I will have a sale for all the products in my shop. The sale will start today, December 24, 2024 to January 1st, 2025, and use the code on the screen. You can also purchase the mauve color Dejitaru Techo together with the monthly kits. If you buy these together, it is discounted. So, what are you waiting for? Grab this opportunity now and let's digital plan using Dejitaru Techo this year 2025. This sticker book is free when you purchase any product from my shop. I have already set this up, and every sticker I finished designing, I kept it here. But I just want to clarify that the free is the sticker book only. Anyway, there are also free stickers on the sticker vault, and it is updated from time to time. These are my weekly spread in 2024. What I used in 2024 is similar to Dejitaru Techo. It is just that the Dejitaru Techo is more upgraded. Well, I know that most digital planners in the market have this integration to calendar, but in my planner I don't have it. The reason is that I just want to feel my digital planner to be like a physical planner. The only difference is it is easy to move around and it's paperless. For digital stickers, I designed it to be only one picture so that I can cut it when I use it. And you can use the stickers for a lifetime while just purchasing them once. That's the advantage of having a digital planner and stickers. Again, this is my 2025 planner system. The mauve Dejitaru Techo. The blue planner for daily tasks and other information. And the small monthly planner coffee design. That's it. I am ready for 2025. Thank you for watching.